Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I am going to apply vinyl to a coffee insulated cup. And I found this cute coffee SVG on in Cricut Access. And I just typed in coffee and that popped up. I thought that was super cute. And this is actually a gift for somebody. So I went ahead and I put their name. And when you do the name, you want to make sure that you hit attach. Otherwise, the letters aren't going to be together. They'll just be, sporadically somewhere. So that's all you do. And then we're going to hit make it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply the white vinyl. And I'm going to use the brayer. And it's sticking on this side, but I am going to use a little bit of tape on the other side just to be safe so it doesn't move. Okay? Okay, so next we're going to hit continue. And I'm going to do premium vinyl. And I'm going to do just a little bit more pressure. And then we're going to hit the Cricut button. Okay, so we're going to take this off and take the tape off. Okay, so let's cut the excess of the pink vinyl off. Okay, and then we will weed the vinyl. So let's go ahead. Perfect, I can see great. And so this one is done, and we're going to set that aside and then do this one. And when we're weeding from the front on a nice vinyl. See, you have to do this one. Okay, so now for the fun part, let me move this up. We are going to use, I'm using Cricut transfer tape. And let's do the coffee first. I'm going to do coffee on one side and then Mita on the other side. Okay. Okay, so let's center this and place it like right in the middle. Can you guys see that? Okay, I'm gonna do it like right in the middle. And when I'm placing this on, I like to try to place it the middle part down first and then just slowly go to the side and do the sides. Okay, and we'll go over it with a scraper. And when I do this, like when I personalize mugs and things like that, I do not seal it. And the reason being is, honestly, I've never had any issue. Like with my tumblers, my Starbucks tumblers that I do, I just use vinyl, and honest to God, I wash it in the dishwasher and it still stays there. So I don't really have any problems with it ever coming off. Isn't that cute? So that's why I don't. And I don't sell them or anything. I just, do it as gifts and things like that. And also, if I ever get tired of it, I can always peel the vinyl off. So just so you know, I don't seal it. I suppose if I were going to sell them, I probably would, but I don't. Okay, so this is what I'm doing on this side, and then on the other side, I thought I would make sure it's definitely the other side. Just kind of put the name kind of going up, and then again I put it down in the center first, and then just kind of rub over it. And use the scraper. And that's it, you guys. That's how easy it is. More. Okay. So what do you guys think? Isn't this cute? I think it's super cute. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and if you are new to my channel and you liked my video, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more, and otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.